Toolkits you need in your garage. Wrenches. Wrenches are essential tools for a garage. They come in various sizes, from tiny to large, and are used to loosen and tighten nuts, bolts, and other fasteners. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers are one of the essential tools that a garage should have. They come in different shapes and sizes, from Phillips head to flathead, depending on the type of screw you need to drive into a surface. Hammer. A hammer is also essential for any garage. It can be used for everything from pounding nails into wood to loosening stuck bolts or nuts. Pliers. Pliers are great for gripping and cutting items in the garage. They can also be used for bending wire, pulling nails, and other uses. Socket set. A socket set is a collection of sockets in various sizes and shapes used to turn nuts and bolts. Level. You'll need a level if you're making home improvement or repair work. It's used to make sure that your installation is level and even. Flashlight. A flashlight is important for working in dark spaces or finding something that has fallen into hard-to-reach places. Trailer service kit. You'll need a service kit if you own a trailer or camper. It includes items like wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and other tools specifically designed for working on trailers. Gardening tools. If you have a garden in your yard, having the right gardening tools will make it easier to keep it in shape. Shovels, rakes, hoes, and pruners are just a few tools you'll need. Organizers. Finally, having some organizer will make your garage more organized and efficient. These tools can help make truck repair more accessible and more efficient. Speaking of efficiency, one factor affecting drivers on the road is keeping their trucks in good condition and logging hours safely. With electronic logs and truck tracking software, drivers can easily keep track of their truck condition, time, and more. Here's an efficient solution for truckers if you're looking for a convenient way to manage your trucks and shipments. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive is the perfect solution for ensuring your delivery goes off without a hitch. With their easy-to-use app, drivers can track hours and get an inspection report on their device. No more wasted time or stressed-out customers. Check out Motive today. To learn about freight rates, check out our previous video.